Good morning, everyone. This is Melody Flores Pillacanes from BSO with 3-1 Weekend, and my topic is all about marketing and technology in modern era. What is marketing? Most businesses today focus the bulk of their marketing efforts online. The digital space offers loads of opportunities for attracting the right target audience and generating customers. Where business once had to rely on physical marketing materials like handing out flyers, attracting customers, online has completely changed things. Marketing refers to any action a company takes to attract an audience to the company product or services. Through high-quality messaging, market aims to deliver and standalone value for prospects and consumers through content with the long-term goal of demonstrating product value, strengthening brand loyalty, and ultimately increasing sales. Marketing and technology in modern era. This started with start of marketing, the view of finding new methods of marketing, new techniques through which marketers could target the market. Then came technology, bringing a new dimension to old school marketing and bringing in a revolution. Modern marketing uses digital marketing. It could be explained as a marketing that makes use of electronic devices such as personal computers, smartphones, and cell phones, tablets, television sets, TV, and games consoles to engage with stakeholders. A component of digital marketing is a digital brand engagement. Digital marketing applies technology or platforms such as websites, email apps, and social networks. Digital marketing can be through non-internet channels also like TV, radio, SMS, through internet channels like social media, emails ads, banner ads. Social media marketing is a component of digital marketing. What is the purpose of marketing? Marketing is the process of getting people interested in your company's product or service. This happens through market research, analysis, and understanding your ideal customers' interests. Marketing pertains to all aspects of a business, including product development, distribution methods, sales, and advertising. The first is digital marketing, next AI and automation, and last is social media marketing. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is a component of marketing that uses the internet and online-based digital technologies such as desktop computers, mobile phones, and other digital media and platforms to promote products and services. Digital marketing, also called online marketing, is the promotion of brands to connect with potential customers using the internet and other forms of digital communication. This includes not only email, social media, and web-based advertising, but also text and multimedia messages as a marketing channel. AI and automation. AI and automation in marketing refers to using artificial intelligence technology to automate repetitive marketing tasks, analyze vast amounts of customer data, and deliver highly personalized experiences, allowing marketers to create more targeted campaigns, optimize placements, and predict customers' behavior, ultimately improving efficiency and campaign effectiveness across various channels like email, social media, and website interactions. Social media marketing. Social media marketing involves the use of social media platforms to connect with your audience to build your brand, increase sales, and drive website traffic. As you can see, this is the chart of people using social media on a daily basis. This is the chart of social media marketing of a monthly users. A social media marketing's role in a technology chart would highlight how social media platforms powered by various technology like AI, data analytics, and cloud computing enable business to connect with customers, build brand awareness, engage with their audience, and ultimately drive sales through targeted content and advertising strategies across different social media channels. As emerging technologies, artificial intelligence, AI, chatbots, virtual assistants, and predictive analytics improve customer service and engagement, augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR. Brand use AR, VR for immersive experience like virtual try-ons, beauty products, clothing, or virtual store. Tours blockchain offers transparency in advertising and loyalty programs and facilitates secure transaction. That's Thank you everyone for listening. This is the end of my report. Thank you. Thank you for listening everyone.